L&T is the largest point contributor on the losing side today. Was down about 4% in Friday's session as well. I was looking at your note, and I think the note seems to suggest that L&T does not have very large presence in the spaces where the expenditure has been brought down. If anything, in nuclear, it's got a very large market share. In metros, etc., it's got a decent market share. Could it be that L&T is, like, as they say, Begani Shadi Mein Abdullah Divana, the opposite, right? It's getting clubbed with everything for the wrong reasons. And would you use these dips if you were investing? Or are you telling your clients to use these dips in L&T to buy into that stock, for example?
So yes, that's exactly the point. So there has been a lot of negativity about L&T in the past 2 quarters, let me say. So first thing that was there, it was like almost taken like L&T will certainly miss its order inflow guidance. So that we heard in 2Q, then again with 3Q. But if we look at what exactly the numbers that they delivered, I don't think anyone would be building in that they would miss the order inflow guidance, given that they are already well placed on 500 billion of tenders as we speak. So there won't be a miss in the numbers so as to say on this year's order inflows. Now, of course, the thing about the budget is people will look at it too, what would be from an FY26 point of view. And justifiably, L&T gets hammered because it's taken as a bellwether for the CAPEX story. But again, L&T's share of central government itself, like when the order inflows, if we see, is only 15%. And then whatever the other comes up, those spaces that you also mentioned from my note, those are getting very strong and is actually funded by the CPSE budgets. So don't see a lot of risk on that aspect. The multiples have, of course, come back to very much the pre-COVID levels.